Hello there. So today we are at a house that has a few issues going on here. I guess a panel on a unistrut rack is rusted out and falling off, so that needs to be at the very minimum looked at, potentially fixed today or set up for a future date. And then a couple other troubleshooting issues, I believe, and a few other little items around the house. So here with Jared and Bernard, we're gonna run inside, see what we got going on, and we'll get this project underway. I mean, there's definitely, without a doubt, at least somewhere in here, one gator at a minimum.
At least a small one.
Yeah.
At least like a 4-footer.
Yep.
Something like that. Because they're always wandering around here.
I've seen some big ones in this area.
One thing, wherever y'all go, I'm behind y'all.
Although one good sign is that lady still got her small dogs. That's a good sign.
The customer said it was her panel that had fallen off of what she described as unistrut, but it turns out it was a lighting transformer.
So we don't have voltage there, right? We could put a toner on it and check it back at the timer clock and see if that is where it goes. Want to do that? Want me to get my toner?
Yeah. Hey, where you going, Rob?
What's that?
Don't leave me about here. You don't talk with gators and stuff around here.
I think it's safe to say this transformer is well past its prime.
I was like, what have I seen this before?
There's coconuts right there that were on it.
I was shaking them to see if any.
Is there, yeah, they got water. They got water in them, right? They got to. Look at the color. You just got me all covered in that, bro.
I haven't had nothing. Some of them beat like.
Let me see.
One like this one got a lot of water.
Yeah. Let me get your flathead real quick.
Coconut pollen just went all over me.
This is the way to do it.
I'm pretty sure Jared pulled that move on purpose.
Oh shit! It got water.
Mm-hmm. Then you got to poke another one for an air hole.
Bitter? Sweet? So?
It's pretty good.
Hey, you drink all the water.
I'd just like to say, in my defense, there wasn't even that much to begin
Not
with.
bad.
No.
He said, oh, it's all right.
It's not the sweetest one, you know what I'm saying?
Drinks absolutely all of it. Oh, it's all right.
It might have been a little better than I let on.
Going here.
Super loud. Big boy.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, be playing.
Yep.
Right now, Bernard's just hooking up the toner to the 110 volt side so we can see where it's being fed from.
You hear it going off all the way over here?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, from the underground.
You got it?
It's a real sensitive one.
That's nice, though.
But look how far I'm picking it up.
You can see how sensitive this toner was. It makes it so much easier when you can follow something from that distance. I was at least 10 feet away.
Here, maybe put one on the ground. Take the red and put it on the ground. Can you? Is there a wire knot you can take off or no?
I see it's split.
All right. I just don't want to. I want to be able to put it back together.
Put it with a wire. So I'll split it in the middle and then put a wire strap on it.
Well, just nick it with your
Oh,
razor knife. Okay, that too. Yeah. Oh, is that what you were talking about doing?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Very good. See if that does better. Do just a tip. Yeah. Just a tip, just for a second. See how that's better?
Yeah, super loud. Your mind is dirty, Jared.
He just starts laughing.
Rob, you supposed to say no, didn't you?
All joking aside, the reason why we shifted it from the neutral to the ground was because we were getting a little bit of feedback on the neutral when the toner was hooked to the hot and the neutral. So if you shift it to the ground, then it will work better.
Oh, this is the one I was telling you about, that one that broke?
This is a Power 38 Hubble fixture. It's 110 volts. There's quite a few that are broken around here that all need to be replaced. The broken transformer we're toning right now goes to low voltage fixtures, which are going to be different than those Power 38 110 volt fixtures.
What are the odds on this being the timer?
It's pretty low.
Low?
Yeah, I don't think it is.
You think it's all? I would think it was the one, at least by the other air handlers on the other side. Yeah.
Is there a timer over there? Or
Yes.
Is it a transformer?
There's a timer and a transformer.
This is what I look like when I'm right.
There's no way. They brought it all the way over here?
But it's up in the attic too. See what's going on.
You have your tick tracer?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
It's got UF going down and UF going up too. Dang, look at that. So they got UF, direct burial, going into the house.
Down.
Yeah.
Wait, they have what going on in the house?
UFB, direct burial, what? Gray wire? See this gray wire?
Oh, yeah.
Where's the ground? Okay, there's the ground. So this is UF. You're not supposed to go more than 10 feet. Just leaving it like that, and then it shouldn't be going into the house. But it's we got voltage coming in. This is the line and the load and the neutral.
Mm-hmm.
So, I mean, I could just kick it on for a
I
second.
was just about to say that.
But I don't want. I
You
mean,
can mess up your transformer though.
no, it won't. Not mine. Oh wait.
Oh, that's what it is.
Mm-hmm. Oh wait, no, it's because they're lined up, maybe.
No, I
Yeah,
don't.
that's on the off. Yeah.
Oh,
yeah,
it
it's
is?
lined up with off right there.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, turn it, yeah.
Now try and switch it on. It could be that it's just coming on during the day and she can't see it. That's
Mhm.
probably what it is.
Oh,
what it is.
because it's on the off time
Mm-hmm.
to when it's supposed to essentially turn on.
Yep. So on the day, during the day she can't see.
Yep.
All right, let's go see what we can find. I wonder if this transformer even works.
No, that's shut.
I mean, but it might still kick on, but
You can try it.
yeah, it's working.
Oh, yeah, it's a load on it. Definitely working.
Come on. Oh yeah, that's still working.
Just a second ago, when I was about to energize the time clock, Bernard said, "Won't it damage the transformer?" What he meant is the tone generator for my toner. Most will get fried if you do that, but this one has a relay that protects it, so it doesn't cause any damage.
Yeah, that one's working too. Yeah, it could be that they're coming on at different times.
What's the?
But she seems like she knows what she's talking about. You see anything down in there? What I think they did was they probably just came off of one of these high voltage lights to the transformer and added low voltage lights. You know what I'm saying? That's why it goes back to that timer. Got a wire knot?
And what I'm doing right here is moving the toner from the primary side, which is the 110 volt side. That's how we found out it came from the time clock. So I'm shifting it to the secondary side, which is a low voltage side, which normally the 12 volts coming out of the transformer. And this way I can see which light fixtures out in the gardens are on the low voltage side of this transformer. And we can determine which ones are working and not working from the transformer.
I'm gonna get a pair of dikes.
But I'm about to get rudely interrupted before I can connect the toner to the low voltage side.
You know, if you touch that hot, you won't get shocked and then unless it's grounded, right?
But I'm grounded. I'm sitting on the ground.
If your boots broken, no, you got good boots.
My knees are on the ground.
Oh yeah, you're gonna get hit.
Yeah.
You gotta wake up a little earlier than that before you can get me, Bernard. Yeah, he was definitely messing with me there.
freaking they're like almost like leather. What are they? Like canvas leather?
Pleather.
Yeah, whatever they are.
Did you try to take these off already?
Yeah. You gotta take, so cut it and use the yellow one. You probably can take these off. No.
I got plenty of them.
Oh yeah, that's plenty good.
Wait, what? I know that's sarcastic. But let me see.
No, it'll work. Ow! Dang, bro, look at it. I got the spike in my...
Ooh, let me see.
Two of them, bro.
Dang! Oh, I got one in my ass, I feel like, right now. Ow! Look at how big they are. Dang it, I got one. I feel something sharp. Ow! It really is.
Are you serious?
Yeah. I mean, I was kneeing on something like a rock, so I didn't feel it.
This is what I was kneeling on, not a rock.
Mm-hmm. You want to knee on one so you can tell. Don't set that back on the ground.
And I sat on a different one.
All right, let's disconnect this so we can hook up the toner to the secondary side. See, the primary side is like this side where the high voltage comes in. Primary is where the voltage comes in. Secondary is where the voltage comes out. It goes in 120 nominal, comes out 12 volts, probably AC on this situation here.
And now finally I'll get the toner hooked up, and if you notice I'm standing on my feet to avoid any other unfortunate incidents.
It goes that way.
That's the only reason I was asking, because it was ran in what looks like fairly new Liquidite.
I mean, it's a little rotten out.
Yeah, but as far as what's buried,
And right here we're trying to see if we can find any other additional light fixtures that come off of that transformer. We only found a couple, and both of those are working, but couldn't find any more. Any other fixtures that we found went to different transformers and were working just fine. So the moral of the story here is that 99% of her problems are just time clocks that need to be properly set to the correct time, and her lights will turn on and she'll see them at night. There are a couple par 38s and a transformer that we need to replace, but that's not that big of a deal. So in the end, we saved her some money, and you always gain a long-term customer when you do that.
All right, gentlemen, I'll catch you later.
Alrighty, Rob.
Good seeing you. Yep. So we just wrapping it up over here. We're gonna end up having to order some of those fixtures, those Hubble fixtures. So once we get them in, we'll bring you guys along and show you the installation. We're also gonna be either safing off or replacing that transformer depending on what the customer wants. But thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.